Okay, now we are here on my phone and I will be showing you exactly the easiest way, simplest ever to make a thumbnail using the app PixelLab. And I will really recommend because it's just so simple and it's free, of course. First, you click the PixelLab app. Now you are already here in the PixelLab app. So you click on the three dots on the right upper corner, three dots. And then the first thing you will do is you choose image size. And here you just preset, you have custom. When you click this one arrow down, you will be having a lot of choices there. But the thing we will do is the YouTube thumbnail, right? So you have now YouTube thumbnail. Just click OK. And the next thing, go again to the three dots on the upper right corner and click use image from gallery. I am sure you have a lot of photos there on the gallery. So now, no, it's not the one. Click the X. Go again. That's how it is when you work with phone. So what you will do is I only click this photo. And now I have it here. Okay, very good thing I will give you. This is very important. Have you noticed that in the picture, I have the photo on the side? So be sure that when you take a photo, take already the photo ready, that you have already a place on the other side. Either you want the photo on the left. If you want it on the left, just click this one and you have the photo on the left. But if you prefer to have the photo on the right, just click again and you have the photo on the right, okay? And this one actually is movable. You can move it like that. You can adjust it. So you have it there already. And yeah, as what I said, get ready. When you take a photo, be sure don't take a photo that the photo is in the middle. A lot of people are doing that, and you're not really, you don't have to do that. Always take a photo that you're on the side, the subject is on the side, and you have a space there on the left side. Okay, now that is okay. We will click on the check. So you have it there, and you have already here ready for you to put the text. Okay, to change the text, you just go to this, click on it, click on that, and then with that one you have to click this kind of the garbage can there up, and it will clear it. Okay, once it's clear, then you can write. And that one, for example, you are doing a DIY, you can just put easiest way, or make your own Christmas decor. Okay, make your own Christmas, or we make it very interesting, easy to make Christmas decor. So easy to make Christmas decor, we can just put like that, and that is enough. Do like that. Oh, they are so big, right? And you're covering your photo. Do not cover your photo. We click the capital letter A, and then we make it smaller. You go to size, and then I go like that. And actually, you can do it like that, okay? You can even just do it that way, because anyway, you have a space there. So that one is okay. If you do like that, this is how you do, like here. Okay, easy to make Christmas decor. And so you can actually, this one you can transfer it by yourself, like that. So, and then we have to change for the kind of font, the kind of alphabet you want. Okay, so we want something that is very clear and not something that people cannot read. Okay, so you choose here. You have, this one is a very good one. It's because it is easy for people to read. For example, this one, blogger sans bold, and it's already bold too. So if you see there, it's already bold. So you can also do like that. We go here and go to size, click the size, and there again, so you can actually make it big. So as you see, it's actually very clear to see, right? And you want to emphasize it, because if you only have it like that, it's not so striking. And it's because it's Christmas. Yeah, why not? We can put, just click on that one, so you will hear, because if you only like that one, you see here that it's nothing here. So just click on the text that you want to you know, to edit. Click on that, and then you will go to background. Okay, you can have a background and you have to enable it. So push it, drag it to the right, and now of course it's Christmas, so why not red? Okay, click on the red. So as you see now, easy to make Christmas decor. Where's the decor? It's there. So what you do, you can actually do like that. Like that. And since it goes like this, because this alignment is the center alignment, what you will do is you go to align, and the align is here. Click on align, click on the first choice, and that is you align it on the left. Now it's being aligned on the left. So what you do, you can actually just do like that and have it that way, like that. Oh, but you are covering this one and you don't want to do it. So anyway, just move it that way. Okay? Still you're covering. Move it more. So why not? Easy to make Christmas decor. So as you see, it's still covering. And as what I said, you don't want to cover. Never cover your picture, because that is the most important thing. So actually, you can do like this. We try. So doing things like this, no, you can't use the front and the back. You can just put like that. So we do like that. It's still not so good. So what we will do, you can put it at the back. You cannot. So what we will do now is that we can make it a little bit smaller. So we can really like that, because never cover the picture, so you can, people can really see the photo. And another thing, we can put another text. When you add text, click the plus and text. Okay, and they usually appear here on the upper left corner. Just drag them down, go again to that one there, erase the whole text, and then you will type best. We put, for example, best DIY. Okay, and then you have it already there. And one rule here is that avoid using a lot of colors. Okay, so 2 to 3, maximum 4 colors, but this one we can actually use just 1 to like 3 colors. So best DIY. What you can do actually is you can use black text on it. You can use a black text and then go to style and have it bold. So have it bold. Okay, best DIY, like that. And or maybe you will say, if you want to go, oh, I want you want to change it again. If you want to change this again, you just click which one you will change and edit it again, and click on that, click in there, and then there you put a space, best DIY, for example, in 2023, like that. And here, this kind of here curve here, you can actually do like that. That is how you do. So what we do here, because it's black, we will put a white background. because the goal here is you have to focus the text that people can read it and it strikes the people's eyes, because that is the rule in thumbnails. Your thumbnail should be striking. When you see like this and you put the A and this don't say anything, because you have to choose first which one you will edit. So you have to choose this one. Then you get all of this, and it's a lot of them. Follow E.S.freecoach and ask anything about KineMaster, and I will help you how to do it. But you yourself, you can actually try all the functions yourself. Okay, now we will put a background. Of course, you will not put a background that is red, because black and red are not good combination. The text should be focused. The text should be in contrast with other colors. So what you will do, we will use, because we have a text that is white here, then we use a white. So as what I said, enable, you have to enable it. Okay, now we use a white. So as you see, it's so different when you have a white and a black. And what you do, you click it again, and then you can actually make it a little bit bigger. Okay, there. So I think like that. That is striking. And you do like that. Like that. So, and maybe you want it to be like that, or maybe you want to be like that, or maybe you want to be like that. Like that. Okay, but please never like putting there or like putting there. That is totally wrong. Never cover your photo, because it's the photo will attract first to the people, to the viewers. So don't cover your photo. Or you can even do it like that. Like that. So this one has a lot of function, this round here. You can just play with it and do like that. Okay, so you can actually do like that and have it that way. So if you look at it, it's so clear. People will see it immediately. And if you want a little bit of style, you can even do like that. Best DIY in 2023. So that is clear. People see it. Okay, and then you want to write the name of your channel, get the text, and upper left corner, drag it down and just write your, always click this one when you write, erase all of that. And then maybe like me, I have like the E.S.freecoach. You have like that. And that is so big. When people will view it in the PC, that is so big. So what you will do, if it's like that, you just click on it, edit it. Okay, no, you don't want to edit the text, you just edit the size. So go to size, just have it like around 20, 21. Yeah, it's okay, and put it there like that. So you want it to be red or yellow. Maybe your favorite color is yellow, and it's already your brand. Once you already use yellow on it, all the time you have a yellow on it. Okay, so we'll use yellow because maybe your favorite color is yellow. So we use the yellow color. No, we take the orange. It's much better. There. Or maybe white. We just take the white. It's much better. So you read it more. Okay, simplicity is beauty. And as what you see it, you already delivering a very good photo. You see the photo, you see the text, and that is your goal in thumbnails. People can read and people can see the photo. So please minimize covering the photos of your thumbnail. Photos should be shown. Don't cover them with your text. If you think that E.S.freecoach is something for you to develop your YouTube channel, then subscribe now so that you will always be notified and you will always see all my tutorials and all my videos if you want. And you can always request me. If you're my subscriber, you can always request me